The cabin air filter in your 2011-2019 Ford Explorer, also known as the AC filter, is crucial for trapping dust, pollen, and pollutants, improving the air quality inside your vehicle. Replacement is recommended every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, depending on your driving conditions. Unlike some vehicles, the filter isn't located behind the glove box. Instead, it's housed under the hood, near the passenger side wheel well or cowl panel. This location allows for easy access without needing to disassemble the interior. Replacing a dirty cabin air filter leads to reduced HVAC efficiency, poor air quality, and potential mold buildup, costing $100 to $200 in repairs if neglected. To replace the filter, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a trim tool or pliers. First, open the hood and secure it. Locate the filter housing by removing the air intake resonator, a plastic cover near the firewall, by unscrewing any clips or bolts. Next, unclip or unscrew the filter box lid. Remove the old filter. Note the arrow indicating the airflow direction. Then install the new one, matching the same orientation. Reassemble everything in reverse order, making sure to inspect the seals for damage. OEM filters are typically pleated paper and cost $10 to $30. When selecting a replacement, ensure it's compatible, such as Fram or K&N brands. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling dust and wear gloves if you have allergies.